So I'm going to try to explain how to do the weaving pattern of the Gaiasphere. Here's ring number 1, this one. This is ring number 2, ring number 3, ring number 4, ring number 5, this one, and this is ring number 6, this one. So first you put together 2 rings. You want to start mark this intersection between the number 1 ring and the number 2 ring, and you want to always start from here whenever you try to figure out to put the rings together. So the number 1 and 2 ring just go inside the one inside the other. Then you want to go to number 3 ring, and I'm gonna try to start from number 1 ring always. So it goes under number 1 on this side, over number 2 ring, over, then it goes around, and it goes, this is number 1 ring, so it goes over number 1 and under number 2. Then you want to put the 4th ring, comes here. You can see you have number 1 here, 1, 2, and you want to make sure that number 1 goes under number 2 where you start. I usually try to have it standing like this, with number 1 and 2 down here, and number 3 kind of horizontal. You can also put it up like this. Do it like this. So start 1, this is number 1, we follow that one. We have number 4 over here where they intersect on the top, number 1 and number 4. 4 goes under number 1 at the top, then it goes on the side. We have number 3 here, it goes under number 3. Number 4 ring goes on, this is the 4th, it goes under number 3. On the bottom, the number 4 ring goes here over the number 2 ring. Then at number 1 ring, which is this one here, number 1, so number 4 ring goes over number 1, then it goes up to number 3, 3rd ring you have here, and number 4 ring goes over, then it goes under number 2, which we have here. This is number 2, goes under, and that's all the rings you have at this moment. Then you want to add the 5th ring. So once again we start here, here we started, and we go follow the number 1, it goes up to here. Here we have the 5th ring. So the 5th ring on the top of the Gaiasphere, it goes over number 1. Then we have number 3 here, it goes under number 3, this one, this is 5th, this is 3rd, goes under, down here, I'm gonna follow it. Here we have number 2, this is the 5th ring, it goes under number 2, and then it crosses the 4th ring, which goes over the 4th ring. This is the number 1 ring, so it goes under the number 1 ring, then it goes over number 3. See, we have number 3 here, this is the 3rd, this is the 5th, it goes over. Then then it goes over number 2, and under number 4 up on top. Here it goes under number 4. Let me start over here again. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to find the 6th ring. Is this one. So if we once again start at the bottom, where the 6th ring crosses the 1st, it goes under, then it goes over number 4, then it goes under number 3, over number 5, under number 2, this is the 2nd ring, so it goes under number 2. This is the 1st ring, it goes under, no over, sorry, over, and under number 4, this is the 4th, and it goes over number 3, and under number 5, and over number 2, and under number 1. So the 6th string is over under all the way. You just have to make sure you put it at the right place. So you should be able to figure this out if you look at the video several times and try to write down the sequences that I'm mentioning, and you should be able to follow it. And when you have made your first Gaiasphere, maybe you want to mark the rings and keep it as a reference. I can still not do a Gaiasphere without looking at this one. So I hope this helps. Thank you.